Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here are these three empty stuff. This one is can, this one is plastic bottle, and this one is the sold cardboard box which I'm going to use today. So here is this thick canvas paper type or painting type small soft cardboard piece which I'm going to stick it around it to make the place for the candle, which I will be sticking it with the tape, not with the hot glue, because it will change the shape or the cardboard piece. So this one I'm just removing because it was already coming out and I forgot to remove it. Anyway, this is how I have prepared them. And now I'm using this packing paste to make them strong and heavy as well, because they are very lightweight. So I don't like to make them like very lightweight candles, so I have to use this one. But if you want, you can just simply apply black craft foam over it, and there you go. But here I have applied this packing paste, and now here is my homemade paper mache clay type, which I'm going to use to make the melting parts of the candle. As I have saw in many videos, they are using the hot glue, which is obviously a very good option as well, but for me I just wanted to try and to go for a different way to make them strong and thick. So I decided to use this paper mache clay to make those melting drops of the candle. And yeah, then later on I will be applying more hot glue just for more detailings over these pieces. For this small one, I'm making the drops all the way down, like touching the table, just to make them more realistic look. So here I have prepared all different sizes. Now here I'm using black acrylic paint to color it. This is how it looks like after coloring. And then here I have this craft foam, which I'm going to stick it over the lid parts here at this place. And the same craft foam on the exact same size of the sides, I will be sticking it here. And this is here I'm giving it more detailings with hot glue to make it match with the candle looks. So if you want, you can use just the simple clay, or if you want, you can use the hot glue as well, but I think it's much better to use clay or the paper mache clay to save the hot glue. Anyway, this is the golden acrylic paint which I am going to color it. The paper mache clay will be easier to color with the golden acrylic paint, but the hot glue part, obviously it's smooth and silicone type, so I will be applying 2 to 3 layers of the colors over the hot glue, because one single coloring over the hot glue part will not be working, so I have to color it 2-3 times. Then here, this is it looks like now. And now I will be using black acrylic paint all over the black parts to sprinkle this black glitter on it. You can use the glue as well, but I decided to cover all the black parts as well with the more acrylic paint to make it more looks like complete shade, not having some dots of other colors over it. So while it's wet, I will be sprinkling some black glitter on it, and you can see how it looks beautiful from now. And the same thing I will be doing here for the black parts as well, to color it and then sprinkle the glitter over it. And obviously I will be using the battery candles, which I was having a lot, but on the same time only one of them was working, the rest of all got damaged. So here you can see one is the real candle. I'm using the bigger one, and I put a foil piece under it so it don't melt and it damages the craft foam. And the last one is a little bit dim, the middle one is perfect. So that's always happens to me. Whenever I need something, it doesn't work on the exact same time. Anyway, this was the simple and easy tutorial, super fast and super beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and share for more ideas, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.